is up, Casey gang? It's your girl Rista back with another video. So we've been getting a few questions on how to start out and make a simple thumbnail. So we decided to make a video for you guys who don't know really how to make a thumbnail yet. Okay, so you're going to need two apps, and it's going to be Photogrid and Phonto. This is just to make something very simple to, if you're not that tech savvy, and your your thumbnail has to be in 16:9 form. Sorry about that. So this is why you use Photogrid to crop your photo to that size. So you're going to click on that and choose edit. Then choose the photo that you want to be your thumbnail. And then once you do that, it's gonna be pretty big. So just choose something simple. Alrighty, it's gonna look like that. And so you're going to use crop, and then find the 16:9, and it's gonna let you zoom in, edit to whatever size you want. And then once you do that, select the blue check mark at the top. And then if you do have the blur after, then you will go to ratio and then change it to 16:9 there as well. And then take off that watermark. Just click on it and press that red X. Alright, save it to your camera roll. Then you will go to the Phonto app. Then select the camera at the bottom. And then your photo album. And then your photo. And then hit done. Then your photo will pop up there. Now to add the text, you just tap on the picture. And it'll say add text. And just type in whatever you want your thumbnail to say. You can type in I, then hit done, D, then hit done, to put it in different spots. And then you can just hold your finger on it and move it around to where you want it to be. And then you can hit font, and then it'll show you all the different fonts that you can use for your thumbnail. And then there's some that you can download too, but I just use all the free ones, and those are all the ones you see here because there's so many to choose from. Yeah, so just pick a font that you want. And then just tap on it. Choose size, to make it the size you want. Then you can hit style. And then once you hit style, you'll be able to change the color of the font. Then you can hit stroke, and it'll make the outline around it. So you can choose the color, then use the very last bar to thicken the stroke. And then you can hit background if you want a background on it. Now that I'm showing you how you can change your backgrounds and stuff. So it's really, really simple, and that's what it looks like with a background on it. So I'm going to click on it again, go to style, and then you're going to use that very first bar to remove the background. Slide it all the way down to remove that background on it. I'm just changing the colors and everything, but you'll see me remove it in a second. Yeah, there you go. Now, for those who are wanting to add like the PNGs, like the pictures and things like that on the photos, like emojis or food, you will go to Google, and then you search whatever image you want, but put PNG, like Paul, Nancy, goat behind it, PNG, and it will come up with a transparent picture. So you'll see, and then it'll have like it'll have like the checkerboard behind the picture. So that's how it's a PNG image that you can add to your thumbnail. So it doesn't have that white square around it or the background around it. So I'm just showing you different things that I'm typing in. So I think I'm doing fried chicken, just so you can see that you can really do everything with it. And so fried chicken PNG, there you go. And it has the red, the checkerboard behind it. And I usually use pngtree.com or kisspng.com to find the PNGs. So you would just select that, click on it, follow the directions, whatever it tells you to do on that specific site to download the PNG, and then you just save it to your camera roll. Okay, and once you do that, then you will go back to Phonto, click the 3 lines on your left hand side and add image, and then choose the image that you want from the PNG, and then just move it around. You can click on it and change the size and all of that on it too, just so you can see it's transparent. I just stuck it anywhere so you can see that it is transparent. It doesn't have the white squares or anything around it. And then you would just select the little save bar from Phonto, and then go to your camera roll, and your thumbnail should be saved to your camera roll. Bam! Then from there, you go to your YouTube studio. And then I usually do it after I upload the video, due to we don't have a computer right now, so we just do it after we do upload the video. And then you will select edit, and then thumbnail, custom thumbnail, and then add the image, but I'm not going to add it right now because I don't want to change our video. But then you will just add that photo that you made as your thumbnail, and then select save, and then your thumbnail will be set on your video. Hope this was easy for you guys. If you want to see a video on how we did the thumbnail for this video, the one that you're seeing now, when you clicked on the video, let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was so simple enough for you guys. It's really easy. You just need those 2 apps and you're all set. All right, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.